My name is Damilola Olukoju. I'm a software engineer and I'm also a director at WWCode Lagos. Here with me, I have Garima Saxena. And Garima is a young, dynamic, and new age professional in the exciting space of analytics. She's someone who has significant value-based experience on 11 years experience, also has an adaptive global mindset, working with clients all across the world. So we'll be having an interview with Garima. Garima, hi.
Hey, hi.
Thanks for joining us. Thanks for having you, and thanks for everything. So we jump right back into the question right now. So I would like to ask you, can you tell us more about your career journey in tech?
Sure. Thank you. Thanks for that question and thanks for having me here. So I started about my journey. I started as an analyst and have grown to be an assistant vice president within EXL. In this entire journey of 12 years, I have gotten the opportunity to work into multiple domains. I started with pharma, then utilities, then insurance, then retail, and now in healthcare. Um, in this 12 years of my journey with EXL, I have also got the opportunity to work in multiple projects which range from, prescriptive, predictive, and descriptive. So I'm very lucky in that regard. I have spent fair amount of time in two geographies precisely. One is India, of course. So starting 7 years of my career, I was in India, and now for the past 6 years, I am in US. So that's about me. And in this journey, I enjoy being flexible. And when I say flexible, meaning I have been assigned with different roles and responsibilities. I've been an individual contributor at times, and I have also been, team lead, played the role of team lead uh, when need arises. So it's been, to sum up, it's been a journey of being an analyst to an engagement manager.
Wow, that's nice. 11 years experience. That's nice job. And I would like to ask you, tell us more about your role at EXL. What you do day to day.
Sure. Thank you. So right now, if you ask me, I'm leading a team of 25 analysts, and they are some of them are based out of India, and few of them are in US. So when I say I manage, so that comes down to my roles and responsibilities and my day-to-day activities. So I manage, I do people management, I do account management, I do client and stakeholders management. I several times have to conduct trainings, which include both domain as well as technical trainings for my team. I take care of my team and at the same time take care of the deliverables for my team. So I review them. I'm the delivery lead in that sense. I groom the team. At the same time, if there is any opportunity for expansion for EXL, so I am highly involved in the business development initiatives for EXL, so that I can help and contribute in some fashion for EXL to grow. I also bring in, right talent for the right positions by conducting several interviews. So that's precisely my roles and responsibilities right now.
And nice. EXL is a global company. What are the challenges you face being an assistant vice president of EXL, and how do you overcome them?
Yeah. So the biggest challenge I would say was, since I have worked with diverse cultures and diverse people and diverse geographies. So the biggest culture challenge was to keep everyone motivated and dedicated towards a common goal, and especially more so when there is a stringent timeline, of deliverables. So I was working with my team of, I think, 8 or 9 members at that time, and we had to deliver something for the client within very stringent timelines. And I was very lucky to get a very supportive and adaptive team who were very kind and flexible enough to stretch their working hours to meet those deliverables. We successfully delivered actually the project, and for that project we got a lot of accolades from the client. So that was one of the challenges which we overcome successfully through efforts of everyone in the team.
Thanks for sharing that. What would you say if other women who might want to follow a similar direction as you? What has helped you to get to where you are as an assistant vice president at ESL?
Sure. So my advice to them would be, be fearless and follow your passion. Don't do what others tell you to do. Do what you feel passionate about. Be the best version of yourself in whatever you do. Be it any field, it's general for everywhere, not just in tech, everywhere for everyone. Always keep learning and growing because, to keep your skills up to date is absolutely needed in every field. Now, coming specifically to analytics and my role, what I have done, and speaking somewhat technically, into analytics, you have to be at least good in one of the programming languages, be it SAS, R, SQL, Python, whatever, whatever works for you. Usually, you have to be statistically sound. You should have knowledge of statistics. The more, the better. You should be excited and passionate about data. You should be excited about it. You should be able to deep dive into the data, see the underlying trends, and generate helpful insights for the business or whatever industry you are in, to help them take strategic decisions, because that will eventually boost their revenue and help.
That's so insightful. And I would like to ask you, why is inclusion and diversity important in workplace, especially in tech?
Oh, that's a very good question, actually, because the world we live and work in is full of diversity, and is full of innovation. So, to be successful in such a world, we need to create an environment where diversity of thought is cherished. We need to create a leadership profile which represents the world we live in, work, where everyone should be feeling included and valued. This should provide a platform for everyone to grow to their and flourish to their full potential, where everyone should enjoy working with differences and know that differences make us grow. And having spent my 12 years of my career in EXL, I can proudly say that EXL provide that sort of platform to everyone, be it men and women. But being a woman, I can proudly boast for.
Amazing. So, as an expert in analytics, how would you describe the role of analytics in data-driven decision making, especially at your company EXL?
Again, a very good question, because there is a saying that you cannot manage what you cannot measure. So right now, data is the leader. Analytics help to generate key insights and to find out more about data. So data is the leader, and that's the reason why you see so many openings or job openings coming up into data science or analytics, which are highly paid, because every company is now investing into the data because they have realized the potential of data. And EXL is no different from what is happening across the world. EXL's analytic vertical has itself increased year by year and is the major contributor for growth. And EXL is doing a lot of acquisitions as well, and is highly invested in it. So that is the role of data and analytics right now. So it's going to be the future.
Data is the lead. Okay, nice. So I was, what are you passionate about outside your working day? What do you love doing outside your work day?
I enjoy traveling. I
Okay,
enjoy meeting new people, exploring new places, meeting people of different culture, getting to know their culture. That is my favorite thing outside of work. I also enjoy spending time with my 6-month-old daughter.
nice. So, and final note, what advice would you give women who are coming to tech?
Oh, yeah, my actually two advices I would like to give to women. One is never give up. Be the change you want to see, basically. So you should never give up. When I say never give up on anything, be it learning opportunities, be it leadership opportunities, be it technical opportunities, be it any project. Never give up. Try everything, what comes your way. So that is my first advice. The second advice is take calculated risks whenever is necessary. Because you have to turn every stone in your way as a stepping stone for success to catapult your career. So take calculated risks, because with risk comes a lot of opportunities as well. Keep that.
Wow. Try everything. Just I like that advice, and thank you so much for sharing that with us. And we hope when you call you some other time, we'd love to hear from you. And I feel like every other person watching this, they will be so inspired. We know what you do as we could, and we wish you all the very best in your career going forward. I would love to be like someone like you one day. And thank you so much. Thanks for your
Thanks, and I wish you
time.
all the best. And I wish that all your dreams come true. I wish you all the
Yeah.
best in your career.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Jimmy Garima.
Thank you.